Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Boa TV. And guess who is here with me on the green carpet? It's Liz da Silva herself. How are you doing, Liz?
I'm doing great, and you?
I'm okay. Man, I love your outfits. Honestly, your outfit is lovely. Man, so who designed this?
Wow, I did.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I never knew she's a fashion. Are you serious? Man, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, yeah. It's Ankara Day, right? We are celebrating Ankara Day. So just tell us what's motivated Ankara Day. I mean, this is the 5th edition, the 5th year for. Okay. So what's motivated?
4 or 5 years ago, I was trying to produce a movie, and I needed crowd in Ankara. So I invited people. I got a hall from there. My friends started telling me, "Oh, this is a nice concept. You can keep doing this yearly, stuff like that." And I pick it up from there.
All right, so I know nothing is easy in Nigeria. I mean, just tell us how easy or how hard was it for you to bring up these people? I mean, yearly, how difficult is it?
When you see someone smiling outside, that doesn't mean it's rosy, you understand?
Yeah.
It's always ups and downs, you understand? But you have to keep yourself up.
All right, man, I'm still looking at this out. Just give us 360, please. Just turn. Let's just see this lovely outfit. Whoa. Okay, now looking at the movie industry, do you think it is where it's meant to be, or we still have a long way to go?
I'm not here for that.
Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, no problem. Let me ask you just one question. If President Buhari was Santa Claus, what will you ask for as Christmas gift? Not in for that too. All right. Thank you. Liz da Silva in the house, people.
Thank you.
Oh, short.
Yes.
Africa International. Yeah, how do you that is here?
Yes, we're here.
Together. Say I.
Thanks, Daddy. Hello, you can't do without band.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Boa TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Boa TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.